Okay, so today's problem is gonna be Leetcode daily, longest strictly increasing or strictly decreasing subarray. Subarray is what? Contiguous non-empty sequence of elements within an array. So what I plan to do is let me check. So we have here 1, 4, 3, 3, 2, and I should figure out whether like I should check, okay, what's the current one and the previous one value, and have this either increasing sequence or decreasing sequence, and like if there is like last increasing sequence is equal like 0, I'll make it equals 2, so gonna be last increasing, last decreasing. So last increasing gonna be 2 here, and last decreasing gonna be 0. And then I'm gonna check, okay, what's the next one? Move to 3. Was the 3 is less than 4, so I need to check last decreasing. Last decreasing number was 0, so I change it to 2. And again I check next one, and this one changes to 0, less increasing. And the next one gonna change both numbers to 0, and then the next one is gonna be decreasing, so I need to check last decreasing. This one gonna be 0, this one gonna be 2. So the answer is 2. So if I gonna do 3, 3, 3, the answer is 1. So by default result should be 1, and then on every pointer gonna check if the last increasing or last decreasing is greater than rest, and I'm gonna update the rest if it's true. And let's say we have like 3 to 1. The last result is already 1, so start from second one, last from first, from 0 from the first index. So last increasing here was 0, last decreasing was 0 also. So here I check 3 and 2, it's decreasing, so I check like the previous one was 0, so I change it to 2. Oh, I even can keep it as 1 and 1, and then this one gonna be 1, and then last decreasing again gonna be increased by 1, this is gonna be carry over 1, and the answer should be 3. So I'll hold int res equals 1, and then int last increasing equal 1, and then int last decreasing equals 1, and then 4 and I equal 1. I'll have the nums length I plus plus, and then I'll check if nums I greater than nums I minus 1, I'm gonna have a last increasing plus plus, and then last decreasing gonna be 1, and else I'm gonna have else if nums I less than nums I minus 1, I'm gonna have this last increasing equals 1, and last decreasing equals plus plus, and then in the end of iteration I want to update the result, and gonna be double max of the last increasing and last decreasing. And then in the end I wanna just return res. That's gonna be the solution. So let me check if it's working. No. So it's the output is or else last increasing equals 1, last decreasing equals 1. Yeah, that was still a mistake. Okay, I'm gonna claim it as let's claim it as a pass, even though it was a small mistake. Yeah, that's it.